Alright, the question here says the numerator of a fraction is 5 less than its denominator. If 1 is added to the numerator and to the denominator, the new fraction is 2 upon 3. Find the fraction. So we have to find the fraction, as it is the final requirement. Find the fraction. And we know that fraction consists of two things, numerator and denominator. We don't know what is the numerator and we don't know what is the denominator, but we know that the numerator is 5 less than its denominator. So numerator is 5 less than denominator. So if the denominator is x, numerator will be 5 less than this. तो अगर मुझे इसमें 5 कम करना हो x में, तो मैं कैसे लिखूँगा? x minus 5. So this x is the expression for denominator and x minus 5 is the expression for numerator. Now it is saying if 1 is added to the numerator and to the denominator, यानी कि आप ये जो n है numerator, इसमें +1 किया आपने और denominator में भी +1 किया, तो जब दोनों में आपने +1 किया तो ये fraction क्या बन गया? 2 upon 3 बन गया, right? So in place of n I will write the expression x minus 5. इस n की जगह मैं क्या लिख दूंगा? x minus 5. और इस d की जगह मैं क्या लिख दूंगा? x. So now the fraction, the equation becomes like this: x minus 5 plus 1 upon x plus 1, and this is equals to 2 upon 3. So when we solve this equation, this will be minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 हो जाएगा, x plus 1 equals to 2 upon 3. Now we will shift this entire x plus 1 on the opposite side and this 3 over here, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा x माइनस 4 के साथ और 2 मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा x प्लस 1 के साथ. So when you expand the brackets, this becomes 3x minus 12, and when you expand this side, this becomes 2x plus 2. So 2x will be shifted on the left side, it will become minus 2x, and minus 12 will be shifted on the right side, so it will become plus 12. So this becomes 14 and this becomes 3x minus 2x becomes x. So x is 14, but we need to see what is this x representing. This x is representing the denominator, right? This x is the denominator. You can see here, this x is the denominator. What is the requirement? We have to find out the fraction. So if denominator is 14, numerator is 5 less than 14, 5 less than this. So 14 minus 5 is 9. So now we know that for the fraction, the numerator is 9 and the denominator is 14. So the new fraction is 9 upon 14.